Hello and welcome to my channel Tech and Tips with King. In this video I'm going to show how you can run Windows 10 in your Android Chrome browser. So without any wasting of time, let's get into the video. So in this video I'm going to show how you can run Windows 10 in your Android Chrome browser. So this is the online cloning Windows 10. Make sure you have connected with the internet connection. It's maybe your mobile data or your Wi-Fi. So I have connected with my Wi-Fi and I'm going to open this Chrome browser. So as you can see, this is the official website of this onwork.net, and that link in the description. You can check out there and open from there. So this is the interface of this website. This website is providing online clouding Windows softwares, apps, a lot of OSs, Linux. So in this video I'm going to show how you can run Windows 10 online. So this is the Windows Online Emulator. Now I'm going to just click run online. So it will going to open the another tab and it will say run our operative system OS Win 10 emulator. It will contain some ads, so you have to cooperate with this. So there are a lot of OS. In upcoming videos I try to show this on my channel, so subscribe to my channel for more videos. So as you can see in this, you have to just click to start button. So it will going to take some time, about 20 seconds to opening the Windows. So this is the online Windows, so you can do a lot of things like using applications. So it will also provide some online applications, and the internet is for perfectly work in this the browser. So it will saying ready, so just click to enter, and it will showing some about 25 seconds. Please wait, you have to wait for 25 seconds, and down it's saying step 7, copying the OS image. So it will saying notification, remember any user on root has been. So this is, it will saying to remember that password to open any root folder. So as you can see, the finally Windows 10 has been successfully opened here in the Chrome browser. So it has some menu. So as you can see, it has some features like open session, save session. You can also save your session. So it means what you are doing in this Windows 10 you can save into a drive, or next time you will open, so you can directly open from here. So this is the good thing of this Windows 10. You can make a separate your own separate Windows PC in your Android. So as you can see, it have some preloaded software like LibreOffice 5. So just now I have opened, so it will like Word. You can make documents in this. So as you can see, there are a lot of features in this software. So let me just minimize it. So as you can see, the Word, this software is perfectly working. So as you can see, this is the file explorer. I've already said you can make a session, you can save session in the Google Drive and can open the next time. So the speed of this Windows 10 PC will depend on your internet connection. So as you can see, I've shown the software is perfectly working, the file explorer is perfectly working. Now I'm going to open this Firefox browser. Is preloaded with this Windows 10, and as you can see, it's loading. So let's see. As you can see in the screen, the Firefox browser is perfectly opened here. Now I'm going to minimize it. As you can see in this screen, I have shown the software, the browser is perfectly working in this Windows 10, and you can also save your session in this Windows Online Emulator. So as you can see, this is the perfectly working Windows 10 in Android Chrome browser with internet connection. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video. If you have any question or problem, let me know in the comments. I try to fix your problem. Thank you.